Comso RiKhasi thohdieng kata kan riu trik mentau benai kala tur kyndit khyrdop Secretariat ban Pynkyndmaw ke sorkar Halor ke jingdawa in line permit kumbashis pangori ki dekhot na kiseng ki badan hakani ka kinhun kilai lum hakmat khyrdop ban ya pertai ke jingkwa ILP ki bratur ki kentubrui ki samla kenthai bat ki long kami ki nangilam ki badan hangtei ki lapan pau ke jing sngodom ki jing kular kai jong Amit Shah ban wan hobnal bear ban yakran Halor ka ILP.
After a year-long wait, we have waited for after the official resolution was passed in the assembly. 1 year has gone by, still no commitment was given by the central government whether that official resolution will be accepted or not. We have waited for over a year now, and it seems the state government is not taking this issue seriously. So today we wanted to send this message to the state government that today we have come about 200 to 300 members of different organizations of Comso. But if they take this issue lightly, the day will come, we will be announcing the whole citizen of the state will come in front of the Secretariat, and if need be, we'll close down the Secretariat because it doesn't make sense that the people whom we have elected to take the issue of the aspiration of the people lightly. So today is just a warning to them, it's just a trailer. The full movie will be following on in the next few days.
Kilaban ngam ban khang tala saya ke Secretariat dada ke jingdawa ILP kam urlong.
ILP kami kencing amnon jong way for way. God jong kajai video, jong kajelah hibur kawai. Balada pimla, bandialam ya ke sorkar. Ban menteri kami ILP kajelah ke jongi. Nyenuan dupat ba, ban kamtala ya ke sorkar. Ya ke sorkar.